Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to code guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys password security setting. And today video title is guys how to remove face lock in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to remove face lock, you don't want to use face lock setting in your iqoo mobile. So now how to remove face lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, unlock your device. After unlock phone friends, how to remove face lock. Open a device phone setting. After on phone setting friends, if you click here effect settings, so friends you can change your face lock animation setting. Friends, you want to change, you can change your face lock animation. So example friends, we will select this animation and friends you can see face lock animation will change. You have new animation. So like that way you can use face lock animation setting also in your device. So friends, click here password and security setting. After phone password security setting friends, open your phone face lock setting. Enter your password. You have pattern lock, so when draw pattern, and friends you have pin, so when enter your pin password. After enter password friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile you want to on face lock on your privacy password. So right click here and first of all you will have to set your privacy password. After set privacy password, you can use face lock on your privacy password setting. So friends, we will click here clear physical data, erase option, face lock will remove, and we cannot use face lock in iqoo mobile. So friends, you cannot unlock your device with face lock. You can unlock your phone with your password, with your pin password, and you can unlock your device. So like that friends, we can remove face lock in iqoo mobile. Again you want to use, so guys show your face and you can start face lock in your device. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.